Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn LED flash, which is the normal flash on your iPhone, to flash when you have a message or a text from somebody, which is alert. So it does not apply to all the notifications on your phone, but to important one, like a text, right? So if you want your iPhone to give you this flash when you're receiving a text or something important on your iPhone, I'll show you how to do it. It's a very, very simple process and can be done in 30 seconds. Okay, so you take your iPhone and then you want to locate the settings application on your iPhone. Once located, you want to tap on it once. Now here at the top of your screen, at this search bar, you want to tap on it and try to find a setting that is called LED flash. Okay, so now we found the LED flash for alerts. Okay, we're pressing it once. Now here, you can just switch on the LED flash for alerts like this. So now it works. I can show you how it works now because nobody's texting me right now, but if somebody texted me right now, that would flash. What else you can do? You can choose these two options. The first one is to flash while unlocked, which means if you're unlocking the phone and you're using it, actively using it, it will still flash, which I find a bit excessive and unnecessary, because why would I need it flash when I'm already using my phone? I know what is happening from the information on the screen, so I just keep it turned off and then flash in silent mode, which is this tiny switch or a button if you're using a newer version of iPhone. If you're in silent mode, this thing will still flash, or it will not if you just turn it off. Okay, it's a very, very useful feature. Alright guys, I will turn it off for now because I find it useless, but if you found it useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your help is greatly appreciated.